father's times, and we trust they will drive out your worries. Of this we are all in one mind. Many tales of the poor and the gentry, of labour and love will arise. There are no finer songs in this country, in Scotland or Ireland likewise.
When we go on our travels to various festivals, we usually try to eat well, you know, eat salads and so on, but there's so many bacon and egg rolls and chips and lovely sausages and stuff, you know. So one of the band's members' wives, Meg, noticed that our wonderful Nigel here was putting on a bit of weight. And so she used to come and say, "Oh, Nigel, you're putting on a bit of weight. Got to do something about that." And she said, "Next time, I'll bring a tape measure." I'm going to check it out. Which she did, not only that, but she bought a pair of scales as well. And she weighed us all and used a tape measure. So, what do? We write a tune, and it's called Mrs. Tape Measure. It's a really nice dancing tune.
To this one, that is great. Just imagine Meg dancing around with her tape measure. Okay, you're next. I'm going to check on you.
bits of Yoski's.
And if you look closely, you know, see, it works.
Yeah, you're the Segovia of the fiddle. Fast notes.
I wish I was back home again in good old Whitney town. I'd go down to the Griffin boys, I'd lay my money down. I'd call for beer and whiskey and I'd pass the bottle round. I'd drink to dark-eyed Susie who lives above the down. And if I was a farmer's son, a ploughing of the field, I'd lead a gang of horses, boys, I'd turn them with my heels. I'd whistle merrily to myself as we rode up and down, a song to dark-eyed Susie who lives above the down. And if I was a huntsman bold, I'd wear a scarlet vest. I'd chase bold Reynard o'er the hills, I'd never let him rest. At night time we'd return again with all my happy hounds. I'd call on dark-eyed Susie who lives above the down. And oh, we were free down there when the farmer came upon us and the grass was in your hair. And oh, we were free from care down amongst the barley and the rye. And if I was a merchant with all my wealth in store, I'd lose it all tomorrow, boys, and I would not ask for more. I'd be so well contented, well, you'd never see me frown. I'd be courting dark-eyed Susie who lives above the town. And if I was a rich man with silver and with gold, I'd lose it all tomorrow, boys, there's Susie to behold. I'd wear a cap of beaver, she'd wear a scarlet gown. I'll be marrying dark-eyed Susie who lives above the down. When the farmer came upon us and the grass was in your hair. And oh, we'll be free from care down amongst the barley and the rye. I wish I was back home again in good old Whitney town. I'd go down to the Griffin boys, I'd lay my money down. I'd go for beer and whiskey and I'd pass the bottle round. And I'd drown myself in barley and in rye. I'd drown myself in barley and in rye. I'd drown myself in barley and in rye.
perennially embarrassed when I play. I would like to change tack completely now, and my family all come from Scotland, and they were my grandparents, and their forefathers were all Scottish fishermen, and they came down with a Scottish fishing fleet to Great Yarmouth in England, and this song always resonates with me. It's a song about a trawler man who's finding it hard to make ends meet. Don't we know what that's like, chaps? And it's called Haul Away My Laddie-O.
And it's by Archie Fisher, who's a fantastic Scots songwriter, performer. Come along and join in to the chorus. Now it's 3 long years since we made her pay. Sing home, me laddie-o, and the owners say that she's had her day. I sing home away, me laddie-o. An easy pull for the catches small.
all the way, la-dee-o. And the final drum scarcely worth the dime.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. What a fantastic day. Beautiful weather. Lovely, lovely day. And John's going to tell a joke. I'm not sure if that's a good thing.
This is the other clean joke that I know, okay? So these two old guys, and they're really, really mad keen football fans. You know, proper football, soccer, as you call it out here. And they made this vow, this agreement, that whoever dies first will come back to the other one and let them know, you know, what it's like when you're dead. Whether there's a heaven or you get reincarnated or whatever. Anyway, one of them dies. 2 days later, the other guy's watching the telly, and all of a sudden the television goes all wavy, and his mate appears on the screen. He says, Bill, is that really you? He says, yes, Fred, it's me. He says, what's it like? He says, well, I've got good news and I've got bad news. He says, what do you want first? So give us the good news first. He says, well, look, up here, I'm in heaven. He says, and it's just a football dream. All we do all day is play football and sleep and eat. He said, it's great. All the old guys are here. Stanley Matthews, George Best, and they're all in the team, but everyone's at the same level, if you know what I mean. It's absolutely brilliant. He said, well, what's the bad news? He said, well, you're centre forward next Tuesday.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is called Johnny in the Morning. And it's off our Flash Lads album. What? What you'll wear. I'll buy a golden ribbon and I'll wear it in my hair. Curly-headed boy, tell me what you'll do. I'll buy a silver buckle and I'll wear it on my shoe. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone, Johnny in the morning. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone, Johnny in the morning, yeah.
There's food upon the table, there's coal upon the fire. Since Johnny in the morning hangs through mud and mire, there's humbugs in me children's mouth, muzzling on the rail. There's a side of greasy bacon off for me husband's frail. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, he's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, yeah. Put on your penny for. Oh, Johnny in the morning, he's a jogging to your door. Father in the field, rush and fetch a tin. Oh, Johnny in the morning, he's a jogging by again. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, he's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, yeah. Upon the hill, tell me what you see. It's Johnny in the morning, he's a whistling o'er the lea. Broken-hearted man, tell me where you'll go. With Johnny in the morning, along the Tewkesbury Road. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, he's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, yeah. Well, Johnny, where'd you find? Where do you rest your head? Well, the clouds, they are my pillow, and the stony floor's my bed. Johnny, where'd you go? I missed you yesterday. I've gone to where old green fields never fade away. He's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, he's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Johnny in the morning, he's a long time gone since I heard him calling. He's a long time gone. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Well, when we're in the band, we always try and outdo each other in dress normally, and I thought one day I'll buy myself a red suit. You know, you just got to stand out from the others. You want people to look at you, so I bought myself a red suit and I came out on stage, one of the gigs we had in the Blue Mountains in Sydney. So I came out on stage and there it was.
Farewell song, ladies and gentlemen. This is called The King. Good health, love and peace be all here in this place. By your leave we will sing concerning our King. Our King is well dressed with silks of the best, in ribbons so red no king can compare. We have travelled many miles over edges and stiles to search for our King. Unto you we bring. We have powder and shot to conquer the lot. We have cannon and ball to conquer them all. Old Christmas has passed, 12tide is the last, so we bid you adieu. Great joy to the new. much, ladies and gentlemen. On fiddle we got Tony Pyrotechnic Pizzikovsky. He sold his soul to the devil. On drums, we have, for reasons which we won't explain, Johnny Redtips. On cello, mandolin and vocals we have Nigel Muddy Waters.
And right in the middle, the man with the best legs in Sydney, Ian the Pump McIntosh.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you. It's been a fantastic festival, fantastic host. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the amazing, the wonderful, and aren't they delightful, the Wheeze and Suck Band. I hope you turned the lights up when you left the motel this morning, that's all I can say.